Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain you how to convert Bootstrap template to Laravel template. Here for this example, I'm using Bootstrap template called LTE template. It is a free template and it is a Bootstrap and jQuery template. Let's convert this template to a Laravel template. Okay, let's go to the example. Okay, this is the template I'm going to convert. As you can see, this is a HTML template. It will use Bootstrap and jQuery. I'm going to convert this template to Laravel template. Okay, first we need to download this. Let's download this. Let's go to admin LTE template download. Let's Google it. And here you can see with this admin lte.io website, you can go to that website and you can click the download button. It will redirect to you to GitHub. Within the GitHub, you can download this template. Let's download this. Let's go to GitHub page and you can download it as a zip folder. Let's download. Okay, it's downloading. I have already downloaded this. Let's continue with that. Let's go to the download folder. Okay, let's extract this. After downloading, you can extract this. Likewise. Okay, now it is extracted. Here we can see index.html file. Let's open this. As you can see, our template show like this. That means using the once you open the index. Okay, let's make using this template. Let's create the Laravel template. Let's change this to Laravel template. Okay. First, we need to create the Laravel project. Let's go to my root directory. Here within here, I will create call. I'll create direct project here. Say composer create project Laravel slash Laravel example template. Okay. You can give any number. It will take a while to install the Laravel. Okay, now it's installed. Let's go to our application using, let's open the application using the our IDE. I'm using a VS Code. Let's open the folder. Let's go to open folder and let's open htdoc example template. This is the project folder. Okay, now I have opened my project folder using VS Code. Let's go to our resources. Where the resources? Okay, within the resources we can see views. Okay, this is the place we are going to implement our layout information, that means template information. First, I will run this. Uh, okay, let's open PHP localhost host 8000. Now it is run within the port 8000. Let's check this. Let's go to localhost 8000. Okay, we need to navigate into, first we need to navigate into public folder, then we need to run the server. Okay, now we can see, yeah, we can see default Laravel welcome page. Okay, now I will create our layout folder with inside of the view folder. Let's create layouts. Okay, with inside of the layouts, I will create the template file called admin dot blade dot php. Okay, I will now this is the our template page. I'm going to copy. Let's go to the download folder and let's open this template index page. Let's copy the template index page codes into uh, our Laravel admin blade to the admin blade page. Let's open this using. Okay, let's open it with the VS Code. Okay, now we copy this into our admin.blade.php. Okay, now we copied. We don't need this index. Okay, now we have copied our information. Here, as you can see, within this page, we have navigation bar, and also we have main side container, and also I have a container, and we have a footer. Those are the main things we have within this template. First, you can see um, these are load from the using the HTTP request. That mean with the from the internet, but these are locally hosted. That mean those plugins folder need to be available within the our system folder structure. We need to copy these folders to public folder, our public folder. Anyway, let's resolve this link. That means we need to because Laravel we, to open the CSS we need to use Laravel assets way. That means load the using the assets keyword like this. We can do that. Let's say asset. We can load within the inside of this block. Okay, let's copy this first. Okay, now we need to put this information to this link inside of this. Then it will load this assets mean it will load from here. It will load from the your um, public folder. Inside of this public folder, this assets mean this assets root means public folder inside of the public folder. Okay, let's correct this file path, all the other file path as well, like this. We have to copy like this, and we need to go to copy this, and also we need to likewise we need to re solve this information. All the links related to these local links we need to correct like this. We don't need do any change to the HTTP loadings. We need to change the local file path. Likewise, we need to change all the file path like this. Like if it is image also we need to change like this. And let's go. Okay, we need to open this navigation. Inside of this navigation, okay, here we have this image, and also here also we have the image. We need to copy all the images. We need to create all the links like this. Okay, now side main side. Let's set this as well. Here also. Actually, we're not going to implement other codes, that mean other sub files like this kind of sub files. We are not going to copy because we don't need those things. We just need the one template. Dashboard one is enough for our example. We don't need other pages. These are all other pages. Okay, and okay, these are also. Okay, now let's check the container. Container within inside of the container. We don't have much thing. Here we have one image. Sometimes you may not need these things. That means if you don't want this, because this content can be dynamic, it will change according to page. But here with this example, I will use the same content. But if you don't want this content, then you can skip this part because if you are not taking this content, you don't need to change these things. Okay, now almost. Okay, now the footer. Okay, footer also not there much thing. Okay, now we need to create this JavaScript things. Likewise, we can recreate these links. Sorry. Now we now almost done actually. Now we have to okay. Now we have resolved those folder path issues. Now our template is let's check the first from the beginning. Okay, now we have yeah our assets, and also this is the our navigation bar. This is the main sidebar container. Okay, here this is the container, and here the footer. Okay, now this is the template file. Then we need to our real view. That means when we use this template with the our view, we this content part is dynamically added because we're not going to hard code those things. That means this navigation bar and this header information, those kind of things within comes from the that footer. Those kind of things comes from the template. But this content is according to the page by page. It can be changed. And also here we can, if you need, we can separate this navigation to different file different that means inside of this layer we can create a different uh, let's say we can create some file called navigation bar or something, then we can change this code into that file. Likewise we can more we can break it down to more pages. But here now, for now, I will use like this, and I will separate these contents from this template. Let's copy this thing to, let's create another view called home dot blade dot php. Okay, within this uh, home controller, I will add that mean uh, let's add let's extend the template. Let's say extend our template is layout admin, and let's create a section. Uh, sorry, add section. Let's say, I need to create this section. Let's name it as a content. Okay, let's name it as a content. And inside of this, let's create the end section as well. Let's create this. Let's copy paste that. Here I have copied this content wrapper to inside of this home dot blade file, because this is the our content file. That means the content can be changed according to the page, and also according to dynamically it create dynamically. Yeah, here I don't need this one. Let's remove this. Sorry, let's first to minimize this. Okay, let's remove this. Yes, okay, let's remove the first remove the uh, bottom div closing tag, and let's remove the upper tag. Okay, now our content is comes from this file. We are not hard coded this within the our template. Let's remove this, because now inside of this div tag we have our hard coded content. Let's remove this first. Removed, and I have creating again that div tag. Okay. Now inside of this div tag, we need to tell that template to use this section as a content. Let's create like this at yield. Let's say content. Okay. Right now, our template part is completed. That means these are coming from the assets folder, and this is the place, this is the content area. It will load according to dynamically. That means page by page it can be changed. And yeah, let's check this with the browser. Okay, this is the okay, first we need to have some routing. I will add here we have welcome route, I guess. I can use same route. Let's go to the route and let's go to web. We have welcome route. I will create this as a home because our uh, page is home. Let's go and check this. Okay, now you can see it will show with the, that means it will not apply CSS and JavaScript yet because we need to copy our this folder to our public folder. I think we need a DST plugins build. These are the three folders we need. The plugin folder we need, uh, uh, DIST folder we need, and build folder we need. Copy this. Let's go to our htdoc, and inside of this htdoc, our application is example thing. Then let's go to public. Let's copy these things. Copying. Once we copy this information, it will load page with the CSS and JavaScript. Let's refresh this. Now you can see it will load code using that information. That means if I zoom out the page, here you can see this is the page. I zoom in this again. Let's say this is the dashboard. This is the template we now. This is a Bootstrap. This is actually Laravel template now because this content area load from the using this home page. These are the content, and this is the admin template. That mean template we use. Okay, here if we remove this information, if we remove this content, if we remove this content, okay, and let's refresh this. As you can see, it will nothing load. That mean still it load the our menus. That mean home, this top menu, and this is message section, and this side menu. Those things work perfectly, but content area getting replaced from the page by page. That means it can be it load dynamically. It can change according to the data. That mean within our application we can load information according to our that mean our controller result. Okay, here now this is a template now. We can use as a template. Likewise, this is the way we create Laravel template. This is the example for uh, how to create LTE Laravel template. And I hope you guys understand the example. I think if you think this video is helpful, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see future videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. And thank you very much for watching my videos. Let's meet with the next video. Thank you very much.